Hi friends, welcome to a new video lecture of physics. In this video lecture I am discussing what is the proof of error in effective resistance in parallel connection of resistors. Okay. You already studied that, you already know that if Z equal to A plus or A minus B, then absolute error in Z is delta A plus delta B, error in A plus error in B. In addition or subtraction, absolute errors are always added. Absolute errors are always added. For example, in series connection of two resistors R1 and R2, effective resistance is R1 plus R2. So, error in effective resistance of series connection is delta R1 plus delta R2. And in parallel connection, you will get effective resistance 1 by effective resistance in parallel Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. And there you can see an equation in NCERT textbook, the chapter units and measurement. Delta R dash by R dash square equal to delta R1 by R1 square plus delta R2 by R2 square. You can see an equation like this. R dash is used instead of effective resistance Rp. Okay. And in some textbooks, they did the same problem in the NCERT textbook in a different manner, and they got a different result. That's why some students messaged me through WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger that they need the proof of the equation that I am discussing now in this video. Effective resistance in parallel is found using the equation 1 by effective resistance in parallel equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 for two resistors which are connected in parallel R1 and R2. Multiplying with delta means change or error. We will get delta by Rp equal to delta by R1 plus delta by R2. Delta actually here indicates partial differentiation dou. Okay, and we can change dou into delta or convert into dou into delta or delta into dou. So, dou by Rp equal to dou by R1 plus dou by R2, partial differentiation. So, okay, next step, dou by Rp into, I am multiplying numerator and denominator for dou R with dou Rp, dou by Rp into dou Rp by dou Rp equal to, here also like that, dou by R1 into dou R1 by dou R2 plus dou by R2 into dou R2 by dou R1. Sorry, dou R2 by dou R2. I am just rearranging this equation. Dou by dou Rp of 1 by Rp into dou Rp equal to dou by dou Rp of 1 by Rp into dou Rp equal to, like that we can do on RHS2, dou by dou R1 into 1 by R1 into dou R1 plus dou by dou R2 into 1 by R2 into dou R2. Okay. Dou by dou Rp of 1 by Rp into dou Rp equal to dou by dou R1 into 1 by R1 into dou Rp. Sorry, dou by dou R1 of 1 by R1 into dou R1 plus dou by dou R2 of 1 by R2 into dou R2. Okay. Why I did like this is, you know that d by dx of x raised to n means n into x raised to n minus 1. So, to differentiate a function of x, it should be differentiated with respect to dx. It should be differentiated with respect to ds. Here, have dou by Rp, dou by R1 and dou by R2. So, I want to differentiate reciprocal of Rp or reciprocal of R1 and reciprocal of R2. To differentiate reciprocal of Rp or reciprocal of R1, it should be differentiated with respect to dou Rp. It should be differentiated with respect to dou Rp. So, that is why I multiplied numerator and denominator with dou Rp here. Here dou R1 and here dou R2. Okay. Now, d by dx of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. D by dx of 1 by x, d by dx of 1 by x equal to, we can say, d by dx of x raised to minus 1. So, instead of n there is minus 1. So, minus 1 into x raised to minus 1 minus 1. Then we will get x raised to minus 2 on the power minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square is the x square is the differentiation of reciprocal of x. Now we can substitute that method here. Then we will get this equation. Dou by dou Rp of 1 by Rp is minus 1 by Rp square. Minus 1 by Rp square into dou Rp, we can write delta Rp. So, delta and dou we can convert into each other. So, minus 1 by Rp square into delta Rp equal to minus 1 by R1 square into delta R1 plus minus 1 by R2 square into delta R2. Multiplying with the negative minus sign, we will get delta Rp by Rp square equal to delta R1 by R1 square plus delta R2 by R2 square. This is the proof. And this we can write as error in effective resistance of parallel connection. Delta Rp equal to, we can take this Rp square to the numerator on RHS. So, Rp by R1 whole square into delta R1 plus Rp by R2 whole square into delta R2. This is the equation to find find error in effective resistance of parallel connection. And we can make a general formula like we started, if z equal to a plus b, like that we can write a general formula for error calculation in reciprocals. if 1 by z equal to 1 by a plus or minus 1 by b, if z 1 by z equal to 1 by a plus or minus 1 by b, then we can say error in z, delta z equal to z by a whole square into delta a plus z by b whole square into delta b. And if there is 1 by c, then you can write z by c whole square into delta c, like that. Errors are always added. Here calculation may be subtraction or addition. Errors are always added. This is the general formula for calculating error in the sum of reciprocals. I think you got the concept and got the idea. So keep going good. Best of luck. Thank you.